In this video, I'll show you how you can add your Payoneer account to Fiverr. So if you want to withdraw your earnings from Fiverr into your Payoneer account, here's how you would do it. So on Fiverr, make sure you're on your seller profile. To check, go to the top right hand corner to your profile icon, and if it says switch to buying, that means you're currently on the seller page. You can then go to My Business at the top, you can then go to Earnings, and once you're here, you'll see an overview of your account's earnings. From here, if you've got any balance to withdraw, or even if you've got zero balance, click Add Payout Method. Then you can choose your payout method, and we can choose to add Payoneer. Go ahead and choose the currency, and you can click Continue. It will then ask you to verify your phone number, which I'll do. Now I've verified, we can now head over to Payoneer. Now this is where it's going to differ depending on if you already have an account or not. If you don't have an account for Payoneer, go ahead and fill out this here, and once you go through these 4 steps, you can create your account and add your bank details and connect to your Payoneer account. If you already have an account created, click here in the top right hand corner. It will then prompt you to log in to that Payoneer account, and once you've logged in, you will be able to connect it to Fiverr. So it is very simple, just follow the instructions on screen and that is how you can do it.